I have a friend who uses Korean skincare product, but she has stopped and dumped them somewhere that is not working, is not liking. Now, Koreans did not formulate their product for fair skin or to whiten your skin. It is not in doubt that Koreans has proven to be the best when it comes to formulating skincare products. Koreans are the MVPs when it comes to creating or formulating skincare products. Their products are targeted to meet your skin needs as well as your skin type. Little wonder Koreans look younger, sometimes 10 years, 20 years, and even 15 years younger than their age. Going to be listening to a very affordable viral Korean skincare product, like you can call them your viral TikTok Korean skincare product.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome right back to my channel. How is everyone doing? This is the first time. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Korean skincare product, like your viral TikTok Korean skincare product. A lot of people jump into using skincare products without even knowing what it does or the benefits of the skincare products on the skin. They just want to go ahead and start using because you see your famous TikToker or your favorite YouTuber using it, and you see that their skin is popping. Now the truth is, Koreans did not formulate their products. Again, they did not formulate their products for skin tone. Okay, like it is no doubt that Koreans are the real deals when it comes to formulating skincare products. Now their products are targeted to meet your skin type as well as your skin needs, not for skin tone. Skin type, either baby you're sensitive or dry skin or even oily skin, like all of the skin type you can ever think of, Koreans have products for all of the skin type, and they also have products for skin concern. Their major focus on formulating products, or their major focus on skincare products, is for aging. Like if you use Korean skincare product and you're faithful to them, like you're religious about using them and you're patient for like a year, you will see that you'll be looking way younger than your age. That's why you see a 48 or 58-year-old woman looking 35 or even looking 30. That's because of the kind of skincare product they use. And it's not just subjected to just their skincare products, it also narrows down to the kind of supplements and the kind of food they take. So if you're here, you think if you use Korean skincare products, you're going to look 10 years younger than your age, and you're not eating well, you're not exercising, you're not doing the right thing you're supposed to do, you're not taking any form of supplements, and you're only relying on Korean skincare products to make you look 10 years younger than your age, then you're lying to yourself. Anyone that had ever told you that you're going to achieve this without doing all of this put together, know that the person just wants to eat your money. First thing first, when you intend to use any skincare product, be it Korean, US, UK, or even Paris, you need to start with cleansing. We have two types of cleansers: the foaming cleansers and the ordinary cleansers. Now the foaming cleanser is the cleanser you use in your bathroom and rinse off. The other cleanser is the cleanser that cleans in depth. These two types of cleanser, one cleans deeply more than the other one, but they all have their role to play. Now the foaming cleanser is mostly recommended for people with very sensitive skin. If you have to use foaming cleanser, especially Korean skincare product, because they are very mild on the skin, very gentle, sometimes you can use them for 3 months before you start seeing maximum effect. Okay, when you're going for Korean skincare cleanser, go for the one that is mildly acidic. This way it's going to help exfoliate your skin, remove dead skin cells, and unclog your pores, prep your skin for other skincare products to penetrate deeply. And for this, I'm going to be recommending Innisfree Blueberry Rebalancing 5.5 cleanser. This particular cleanser is very effective. Any good skincare product, a cleanser, body lotion, have to contain a pH level of 5.5 for you to know that a product is actually good. So this particular one is very good, and the pH level of this cleanser is 5.5, which makes it safe enough and very effective to the skin. It will not irritate your skin. It's also going to help smoothen out, suit your skin, and it's also targeted for like wrinkles and freckles on the face. Like I said, Koreans formulated their products for skin concerns and anti-aging. Like majority of their products are targeted for premature aging. So if you're suffering from like premature aging, you should consider using Korean skincare products. And this cleanser I have just listed is a very good cleanser. But in case you cannot find this particular cleanser, I highly recommend Mixon Master Gentle foaming cleanser. It's also very nice. I have shipped this one to a lot of people, and they keep coming back for like, because it's much more affordable than the Innisfree Blueberry, because that is very effective as well. Like I said, most times skincare product is not how expensive but how effective. Ingredients that were used to formulate this product, if they align with your skin type as well as your skin concern, you don't need to worry about the price. Okay, the both of them are very good in their own way. Again, the only reason why I kind of list products in their numbers is just so you can have substitute or something to actually work with. After cleansing, of course, you need a toner. Toners are very necessary, especially if you're going to be using Korean skincare products, because like I said, they are very mild and gentle, so you have to be using like a range of them for you to have like a maximum effect. You don't need to go and buy just the cleanser for you to see result. If you have to use their cleanser, try to use like 3 or 4 of their products in your skincare routine so that you can see a very good result. For those who do not know, toners comes in 2 different types. The first one is for cleansing and the other one is for hydrating. The cleansing one is the one that helps to remove the remaining dirt and oil that the cleansers could not take off on the face, opening your pores and also prepping it for other skincare products to penetrate deeply. And the hydrating one helps to hydrate your skin and keep your skin really moist. Those ones should pat into your face, but the cleansing one is the one you can actually use your cotton pads to cleanse your face with. Like I said, the cleansing one is totally optional, but the hydrating one, for me, I feel like is a must because it helps to hydrate your skin, keep your skin moist, really gentle on the face, and also softens your face and like just basically prepping your skin as well. It also helps to kind of tone your face, so it's very good and highly recommended. It also helps to strengthen your skin, especially for people who have like dull looking skin or saggy looking skin, people with wrinkles or premature aging, fine lines, and basically who looks older than their age. This particular toner is very good and it's not recommended to be overly used, because if you apply it too much, it might break you out. Remember, it's a hydrating toner, so a little amount of it goes a long way for people who wants to overly do skincare product. If you don't want to use toners, you can always substitute your toners for essence or even serum. Okay, but toners are very necessary, and essence are also very good. Essence are very good, like I can't emphasize on that enough, especially when it comes to Korean skincare product, because they help to make your face look really luminous, radiant, and very glowy. For essence, the truth is it's totally dependent on your skin type. The Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucil Power Essence is very good. Now this has 96% snail mucil that helps to keep your skin really moist, really hydrated, really supple, and really glowy, especially for people with premature wrinkles or like premature aging. And so I'm going to leave a toner on the screen so you guys can actually make do with that, maybe 1 or 2, so that you guys can take a screenshot for those who would want it. And if you want to buy from me, also let me know. Now the next one I'm going to be recommending is a moisturizer, because of course you obviously would need a moisturizer. Remember I said if you're going to be using Korean skincare products, you should incorporate 3 or 4 of their products in your skincare routine so you can see a very effective result. Don't go and buy only the snail mucil and expect to like the Cosrx snail mucil and expect to see a very good result. You might not get the result or your desired result. Moisturizers are very important. No matter what skin type you have, always keeping your skin hydrated and really moisturized is highly important and is non-negotiable. Now when it comes to oily skin, I can't say the same. I always advise people with oily skin to use moisturizers that are made with more of water, because we have 2 types of moisturizer: the one that has more of water, or the one that contains more of water, and the other one that contains more of oil for hydration and all of that. So if you have oily skin, go for moisturizers that are made with water or were formulated mostly with water, or water-based moisturizer. Yeah, you should just go for water-based moisturizer for people with oily skin. So for moisturizer, I'm going to be recommending the Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one moisturizer. This is also very nice. You can use it with your essence, because I see a lot of people using this particular moisturizer. Trust me, the moisturizer super nice. Like, it's going to definitely give you value for your money. It's very slimy. It doesn't sit heavily. It just sink in deeply and give you this luminous and glossy finish. It's very nice. Like, you can actually use that. It has a 92% snail mucil. Essence is not a moisturizer. Essence has its own work to play, which is why I tell people, try to make research when using skincare product, just so that you don't use skincare product blindly, or you don't go using skincare product because you see people using them. Moving on, very next thing you obviously would need is a serum. Please see, I'm calling them in no particular order, okay, because this serum is supposed to come in before your moisturizer. So don't apply your moisturizer before your serum. So because I listed the moisturizer first does not mean that moisturizers come first before serum. So getting that off the way, the serum I'll highly recommend is a niacinamide serum, especially for those who are breaking out. So if you're breaking out a whole lot, you have fresh acne breakouts, in fact you're battling with breakout, or you have acne prone skin, you want to settle for a vitamin C or a niacinamide serum, because these serums would brighten your face and also lighten up dark spots, exfoliate your face in depth. So which is why they are very recommended when it comes to like picking Korean skincare products for your skin concerns. Okay, so yeah, this is the particular serum I'm going to be recommending. The name is the name is not friendly, so I don't want to bite myself, but it's a niacinamide serum. You can also go for their vitamin C serums. They are also very nice. Okay, yeah. Now, how to use this skincare product, please, in the right order and the right proportion to get a very good result, is going in with your cleanser first, either your foaming cleanser or your other cleanser or your cleansing cleansers, and then going in with your toner. You go in with your serum, your essence. Light-weighted skincare products comes in first before the thicker one or before the heavier one. So you don't want to apply, what I see people do is putting applying their moisturizers before their serum. It is absolutely wrong. So your serum comes first before your moisturizer. And lastly, you obviously would need a sunscreen. Do not go out without a sunscreen. Sunscreens are really important. There are affordable Korean sunscreens out there that you can actually also try out. This one is the one that has stood the test of time. It's very affordable and does what it says it does. So it's very nice. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and hopefully I see you guys on my next one very soon. Bye.